Today I am going to explain the order of operations. Order of operations on rational numbers, in which we use usually BODMAS. BODMAS means bracket open, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. The first question which I have chosen for you is 10 minus 15 over 8 multiplied by 3 by 2 divided by 4 whole 1 by 2 plus bracket minus 1 by 4. I shall apply BODMAS in it. I shall first open the brackets, then I shall do division, multiplication, and at the end I shall do addition and subtraction. So when I shall start the question, you can see there is a mixed number in it, improper fraction, proper fraction along with the whole number. When I shall start the question, I shall take this 10 as it is, minus 15 over 8 as it is, 3 by 2 will remain as it is. My target is to open the brackets. So first I shall change it into improper fraction. Improper fraction into improper fraction. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 by 2. This plus sign will not affect the inner sign and inner sign will come out. In the next step I shall open this bracket. How? I shall flip the number after division sign. Division sign will be converted into multiplication, and 9 by 2 will be written as 2 by 9, its reciprocal, minus 1 by 4. I can easily cancel one denominator with one numerator. Same here, 3 times 9, and now there is no cancellation left inside the bracket. When I shall bring it outside the bracket, I shall write it 1 multiply 1 is 1, 1 multiply 3 is 3, minus 1 by 4. Until unless I don't complete this multiplication, I will not do the addition and subtraction. So here I can see another cancellation, 5 times 15. Now I have 10 minus 5 multiply 1 is 5 over 8 multiply 1 is 8 minus 1 by 4. After opening the brackets, after division and multiplication, I have to take LCM because I am going to add and subtract. The LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. 4 multiply 2, 1 multiply 2, 8 multiply 1, 8 multiply 5 multiply 1. I shall make it a fraction and I shall multiply these two with 8. So this is 80 over 8 minus 5 over 8 minus 2 over 8. 80 minus 5, as the denominators are same, we shall add or subtract numerators. 80 minus 5 is 75. 75 minus 2 is 73 over 8. And when I shall convert it into mixed number, 8 9s are 72 and 1 73. This is the answer. The next question is minus 3 whole 9 by 16 divided by 1 whole 3 by 16 minus 1 by 3 multiply minus 1 whole 3 by 4. We have to apply BODMAS. We shall first open the brackets. There is only one bracket. Then do division, multiplication, and at the end addition and subtraction. First of all, we shall convert these three mixed number into improper fraction. 16 multiplied 3 is 48. 48 plus 9 is 57 over 16 divided by 16 multiplied 1 is 16, 17, 18, 19 over 16 minus 1 over 3 multiply 4 1 times 4 plus 3, 7 over 4 negative. Okay. Now we can see that there is no cancellation here. 7 can't be cancelled with 3 or 4. So we shall multiply this negative sign with negative sign, make it positive, and 7 with 1 and 3 with 4. Meanwhile, we can also convert this number into its reciprocal like this, and division sign will be multiplication, and we have just flipped the number, minus minus plus 7 over 12. So after opening the brackets, we have done with division. We are here for multiplication. Any cancellation here? Yes, 16 can be cancelled with 16, and 19 multiplied by 3 is 57. So we are left with minus 3 multiplied 1 is minus 3 over 1 plus 7 over 12. This is cancelled. This is cancelled. So the LCM of 12 and 1 is 12. So I shall multiply it with 12, this with 12, and I will be having minus 36 over 12 plus 7 over 12. 36 is negative, 7 is positive, so I have to subtract, and I shall be having 29 over 12. 12 2s are 24, negative, and 5, 29. This is the answer. The next question is minus 12 whole 1 by 2 plus 1 whole 2 by 3 divided by bracket minus 4 minus 5 by 7 multiply minus 2 whole 4 by 5. Our first target is to convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. 12 multiplied 2 is 24 and 125 over 2 negative, plus sign as it is, 3 1s are 3 and 2 5 over 3. Division sign as it is, I shall convert it into next step. I shall make it a fraction because I have to flip it. Minus 5 by 7 multiply 5 multiplied 2 is 10 and 4 14 over 5 negative. Okay, so in the next step I cannot cancel these because there is a plus sign. I will cancel if it is possible if when this is in the multiplication sign, but right now here I can cancel 7 with 14 and 5 with 5. One numerator with one denominator at one time. 7 with 14 and 5 with 5. Minus 25 over 2 as it is, plus 5 over 3 as it is, multiply minus 1 over 4, minus sign with minus sign is plus, 2 multiply 1 is 2 over 1. Question is bigger, but when we will do with proper operations stepwise, it will be easy within few steps. Okay, now there is only one multiplication left. Brackets are almost open. I haven't removed this bracket because of this negative sign, because I don't want two operations at the same time. So brackets are open. Division is almost done. Multiplication, we have no divisor, so we cannot cancel 5 with 4 and 3. So I shall just multiply it with minus sign. Will change this sign and it will be negative. 5 multiply 1 is 5. 3 4s are 12 plus 2 over 1. Multiplication is done. Addition and subtraction. 12 and 2. LCM is 12. 1 multiplied 2. Sorry, 12. 2 multiplied 12. Same number. We are making the denominator same. 2 multiplied 6. 25 multiplied 6. I will be having minus 150 over 12. Minus 5 over 12. Plus 24 over 12. It will be minus 155 because both are negative. I have added plus 24. Now I shall subtract with the negative sign. And I shall be having 5 minus 4 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. 131 over 12. Negative 12 ones are 12. 12 tens are 120 and 11. This is the answer.